find the area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4ax x-axis, and the lines are x equal to 1 and x equal to 4 in the first quadrant. So y square equal to 4ax, and it is in x-axis and it is in first quadrant. This is the first quadrant, and the parabola form is this one, and here the ordinates are x equal to 1 and this is x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. So between of these ordinates we can find the area. So this is the area we need to find. Okay, so we have a form y square equal to 4a, y square equal to f of x, x-axis. So that is the x-axis is nothing but we have the area is equal to integral from a to b by dx. Okay, and given that y square is equal to 4ax, that is given the what is given that y square equal to 4ax, it is given in the form of y square. So it is given y square, but what we need to get only y. So therefore from y square is equal to 4ax, the y is equal to root of 4ax. So that is nothing but 2 root a into root x. Okay, and next one is, so we written as the area is equal to integral from a to b y dx. Therefore what limits are 1 to 4, 2 root a into root x into dx, and the root x can be written as x power of 1 by 2, and here the form is x power n. If the form is x power n, we written as the integration of x power n, that is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so we simplify this part, we get this one x power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and the 3 by 2 will be changes to side, that is 2 by 3, x power of 3 by 2 power of 1 to 4. So 2 into 2 4, 4 by 3 root a, that is we substitute that upper limit minus lower limit, we get that what is upper limit is 4, 4 power of 3 by 2 minus 1, and if we are simplifying this 4 power of 3 by 2, we get 8 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 nothing but 7, 7 into 4, that is nothing but 28. So finally we get that 28 into root a by 3. Okay, that is what is the main important is what is the basic formula. So first don't confuse to write the formula. If it is given y axis, then we written as a dx. Okay, and taken as opposite of x. What is opposite of x? Y. So therefore it can be written as the integral of form y to dx, and the ordinates are x equal to a to b. Okay, so don't confuse to write the formula. So the formula is the most important.